welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Instagram keep crashing. Instagram has gained popularity and become one of the favorite apps we use in our daily life. However, sometimes it may fail to respond as it should, thus stopping us from knowing the latest news. I know how irritating it can be, given that several tested and useful solutions are provided in this video to help you out. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is clear Instagram cache. Since the functioning of Instagram requires enough storage space, the pile up cache and data will definitely get in the way. Therefore, clearing up the cache regularly guarantees that Instagram to go well to a great extent. For this, go to Instagram, tap on it, and then tap on your profile, and then tap on the hamburger menu. Next, tap on your activity. Next, scroll down, and then tap recent searches. If there is any recent searches are present, then tap on clear all and clear the recent searches and you are done. And the next step is update Instagram app. If cleaning up the data won't work, then you should check if Instagram is outdated. Not updating the app for a long period will hinder it from running or even make it stop working completely. Therefore, you need to make updates regularly to important apps to ensure their smooth running. For this, go to Apple Store, tap on it, and then tap on the search icon and then search for Instagram. See if it shows update option next to it, then click on update on the condition that you are in stable network environment, and if it shows open option, then it means there is no need of update and you are done. And the next step is turn off upload at highest quality. Always uploading the highest quality videos and photos can speed up the piling of data. For this, go to Instagram app and then tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Next, tap on settings and privacy. Next, scroll down and then tap on data usage and media quality under your app and media, and then turn off upload at highest quality and you are done. And the next step is offload and reinstall the Instagram app. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and then tap on iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. Scroll down and find the Instagram app. Tap on it. Next, tap on offload app and then reinstall Instagram from the Apple Store again and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown, and then slide to power off and then wait for some time and press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Instagram keep crashing, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.